गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द क्लास। लास्ट लेक्चर में लेसन 2 में 1 to 6 क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट किया था। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, यर आर एच एस इक्वल्स टू साइन इनवर्स 5/13 प्लस कॉस इनवर्स 3/5। So first of all, sin inverse 5/13 equals to theta. So sin theta equals to 5/13. Now sin theta opposite upon hypotenuse, then adjacent 12. So tan theta equals to 5/12. So theta equals to tan inverse 5/12. Now similarly find out cos inverse 3/5 equals to theta. So cos theta equals to 3/5. Then again cos theta adjacent upon hypotenuse, then opposite side 4. So tan theta equals to 4/3. So theta equals to tan inverse 4/3. Now put up value. Sin inverse 5/3 equals to tan inverse 5/12. And cos inverse 3/5 equals to tan inverse 4/3. So 5/12 into 4/3 is less than 1. So apply formula tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. So total LCM 12 3s are 36. So tan inverse 36. 5 3s are 15, 12 4s are 48, 15 plus 48 and divide by 36 minus 5 4s are 20, divide by 36, 36. Then tan inverse 63/16 equals to RHS. So prove that tan inverse 63 equals to 63/16 equals to sin inverse 5/13 plus cos inverse 3/5. Now question number 8, tan inverse 1/5 plus tan inverse 1/7 plus tan inverse 1/3 plus 1/8 equals to pi/4. So here LHS equals to tan inverse 1/5 plus tan inverse 1/7 plus tan inverse 1/3 plus tan inverse 1/8. So here first of all 2, 1/5 into 1/7 is a less than 1. Same here 1/3 into 1/8 is a less than 1. So apply formula tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Similarly 1/3 plus 1/8 upon 1 minus 1/3 into 1/8. So tan inverse 7 plus 5 divided by 35, 35 minus 1 divided by 35. So similarly 8 plus 3 divided by 24, 24 minus 1 divided by 24, 24 cut, 35 cut. So tan inverse 12/34, 35 minus 1 plus tan inverse 11/24 minus 1, 23. So tan inverse 6/17 plus tan inverse 11/23. Again 6/17 into 11/23 is a less than 1. Now again apply formula tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. So tan inverse 26 3s are 138 plus 17 into 11 187 divided by 17 into 23. (391) divided by 391 minus 66 divided by 391, then 391, 391, cut. So tan inverse 325 divided by 325. So finally tan inverse 1, and tan inverse 1 equals to pi by 4 equals to RHS. Now question number 9 to 12 also prove that. Question number 9 to 12, tan inverse square root x equals to 1/2 cos inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x, where x belongs to 0 to 1. Now here RHS equals to 1/2 cos inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. So let x equals to tan square theta. So tan theta equals to square root x. So theta equals to tan inverse square root x. Theta is belongs to minus pi by 2 to upon interval plus pi by 2. Now put up value 1/2 cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So 1/2 cos inverse cos 2 theta. This is the formula of cos 2 theta equals to 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. And here x is in 0 to 1. So 0 less than or equals to tan square theta less than or equals to 1. Now square root निकाले. 0 less than or equals to tan theta less than or equals to 1. So tan 0 tan theta less than or equals to tan pi by 4. So 0 less than or equals to theta less than or equals to pi by 4, then multiply by 2. So 2 theta less than or equals to pi by 2. So 0 to pi by 2 is a subset of 0 to pi, is a cos inverse range. So 1/2 2 theta. So theta and theta equals to tan inverse square root x equals to LHS. So prove that tan inverse square root x equals to 1/2 cos inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. Now question number 10 also prove that cot inverse square root 1 plus sine plus 1 minus sine divided by 1 plus sine minus 1 minus sine equals to x by 2, and x is belongs to 0 to pi by 4. Now dividing by numerator and denominator, square root 1 plus sin x plus 1 minus sin x. So cot inverse LHS equals to cot inverse 1 plus sin 1 minus sin divided by 1 plus sin minus 1 minus sin. So cot inverse square root 1 plus sin x 1 minus sin x whole square divided by 1 plus sin minus 1 minus sin into 1 plus sin plus 1 minus sin. So cot inverse whole term expansion 1 plus sin x plus 2 into 1 plus sin 1 minus sin and last term square 1 minus sin x, and divided by difference factor. So 1 plus sin x minus 1 minus sin x. So cot inverse sin cut 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 square root 1 minus sin square x, and divided by 1 plus sin x minus 1 plus sin x. 1 cut, then cot inverse 2 plus 2 1 minus sin square cos x, cos square x and square root cos x. Now 2 plus 2 sin x plus sin x 2 sin x 2 cut, then 1 plus cos x upon sin x. Now apply formula 1 plus cos x equals to 2 cos square x by 2 and sin x equals to 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. 2 cut, then 1 time cos cut. So cot inverse cos x by 2 upon sin x by 2. So cot inverse cot x by 2. Here x is belongs to 0 to pi by 4. So x by 2 is 0 to pi by 8 divided by 2. So 0 to pi by 8 is a subset of 0 to pi. So equals to x by 2 and equals to RHS. So prove that equals to x by 2. Now question number 11. Here LHS equals to tan inverse square root 1 plus x 1 minus x and 1 plus x plus 1 minus x. एंड हिंट दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे x इक्वल्स टू cos 2 थीटा. सो अप्लाई x इक्वल्स टू cos 2 थीटा. सो 2 थीटा इक्वल्स टू cos इनवर्स x. सो थीटा इक्वल्स टू 1/2 cos inverse x and theta is belongs to 0 to pi. Now put up value tan inverse 1 plus cos 2 theta 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 1 plus cos 2 theta plus 1 minus cos 2 theta. So tan inverse, this is the formula 2 cos square theta and here also same 2 sin square theta. So 2 cos square theta plus 2 sin square theta. Now square root of 2 cos square theta, root 2 cos theta minus root 2 sin theta divided by root 2 cos plus root 2 sin. Now root 2 cut, then tan inverse cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta. Now again dividing by numerator and denominator cos theta not equals to 0. So tan inverse 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta. Then 1 equals to tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan theta, and this is the formula for tan alpha minus beta. Now here x is in minus 1 by root 2 to 1. So minus 1 by root 2, which value? Cos 3 pi by 4 less than or equals to cos 2 theta less than or equals to cos 0. So cos is a decreasing function, so 0 to 3 pi by 4. Now divide by 2, 3 pi by 8. Now minus multiplying, so 0 less than or equals to minus theta less than or equals to minus 3 pi by 8 less than or equals to minus theta less than or equals to 0. Then pi by 4 8. So pi by 4 minus 3 pi by 8, pi by 4 minus theta and 0 plus pi by 4 pi by 4. So minus pi by 8 less than or equals to pi by 4 minus theta less than or equals to. So minus pi by 8 to pi by 4 is a subset of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 tan inverse range. So equals to pi by 4 minus theta, then theta equals to 1/2 cos inverse x and equals to RHS. So prove that question number 11 tan inverse square root 1 plus x plus minus 1 minus x divided by square root 1 plus x plus square root 1 minus x equals to pi by 4 minus cos 1/2 cos inverse x. Now question number 12, 9 pi by 8 minus 9 by 4 sin inverse 1 by 3 equals to 9 by 4 sin inverse 2 root 2 by 3. So here LHS equals to 9 pi by 8 minus 9 by 4 sine inverse 1 by 3. So let sine inverse 1 by 3 equals to theta. So sine theta equals to 1 by 3. So opposite upon hypotenuse and adjacent 2 root 2. So cos theta equals to 2 root 2 by 3. So theta equals to cos inverse 2 root 2 by 3. मतलब sin inverse 1 by 3 equals to, value put up, 9 pi by 8 minus 9 by 4 cos inverse 2 root 2 by, now 9 by 4 common, so remaining value pi by 2 minus cos inverse 2 root 2 by 3. And we know that formula cos inverse x plus sin inverse x equals to pi by 2. So sin inverse x equals to pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. So here pi by 2 minus cos inverse x matlab 2 root 2 by 3. So equals to 9 by 4 sin inverse 2 root 2 by 3 and equals to RHS. So prove that 9 by 4 sin inverse 2 root 2 by 3. Now question number 13 and 14. Find the solution set. 2 tan inverse cos x equals to tan inverse 2 cosec x. And question number 14. Tan inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x equals to 1 half tan inverse x, where x is greater than 0. 2 tan inverse cos x. So we know that formula 2 tan inverse x equals to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. So apply this formula. 2 into tan inverse 2 tan inverse cos x equals to tan inverse 2 cos x upon 1 minus cos square x equals to tan inverse 2 upon sin x. Cosec x equals to 1 by sin x. Now tan inverse. So 2 cos x divided by 1 minus cos square equals to sin square x. 2 divided by sin x. 2 cut. 1 times sin cut. So cos x divided by sin x. So tan x equals to 1. So here alpha equals to pi by 4. The solution set x equals to k pi plus alpha. Alpha matlab pi by 4, where k is belongs to z. So final answer x equals to k pi plus pi by 4. Trigonometry no use થાય. General solution set 10 માટે k pi plus alpha, where alpha equals to pi by 4. Now question number 14. Tan inverse, we apply formula tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy equals to tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. So here similarly x matlab ki 1 and y matlab x. So 1 minus x divided by 1 plus, here x into 1 apply thai. So tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse x equals to 1 half tan inverse x. Tan inverse 1 equals to pi by 4. So 1 half tan inverse x plus tan inverse x. So 3 by 2 tan inverse x. So tan inverse x equals to pi by 6. So x equals to 10 pi by 6. So 10 pi by 6, 1 by root 3. So x equals to 1 by root 3. Now question number 15. MCQ 15 to 17 MCQ. Sine of tan inverse x modulus x less than 1. So we know that formula tan inverse x equals to sin inverse x divided by square root 1 plus x square equals to cos inverse 1 divided by 1 plus x square. So put up value. Sine of tan inverse x equals to sin inverse x square root divided by 1 plus x square, then sin cut, then finally x divided by square root 1 plus x square. So answer is x divided by square root 1 plus x square. Now question number 16. Sin inverse 1 minus x minus 2 sin inverse x equals to pi by 2. Then find out x. So sin inverse 1 minus x equals to pi by 2 plus 2 sin inverse x. Now both sides multiply by sin. So sin of sin inverse 1 minus x equals to sin pi by 2 plus 2 sin inverse x. Then sin cut, so 1 minus x near sin pi by 2 plus second quadrant sin is a positive, so cos of 2 sin inverse x. Simple formula, sin pi by 2 plus theta equals to cos theta, and here theta equals to 2 sin inverse x. So 1 minus x equals to cos sin inverse x equals to, assume sin inverse x equals to theta. Sin inverse x equals to theta, so x equals to sin theta. So 1 minus x equals to cos sin inverse x equals to theta, cos 2 theta, and cos 2 theta related formula sin squared 1 minus 2 sin square theta, then 2 sin square theta, sin theta equals to x, so 2x square, then 1 cut, so 2x square minus x equals to 0, then x common, 2x minus 1 equals to, so x equals to 0 and 2x minus 1 equals to 0, x equals to 1 by 2 and 0. So 1 by 2 verification for x equals to 1 by 2. So x equals to 1 by 2 put up, then sin inverse 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. So sin inverse 1 by 2 minus sin inverse 1 by 2 pi by 6. So pi by 6 minus pi by 3 equals to minus pi by 6, not equals to pi by 2. So 1 by 2 is not possible. So final answer x equals to 0. X equals to 0 is the satisfied for given equation. 0 put up karo, then sin inverse 1 minus 2 into sin inverse 0, 0. So sin inverse 1 pi by 2 minus 0 equals to pi by 2. So final answer x equals to 0. 1 by 2 is not possible. Now last question, tan inverse x minus x by y minus x by y minus tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus x plus y. So first tan inverse here x by y, then dividing by numerator and denominator y. So x by y minus 1 upon x by y plus 1. So tan inverse x by y minus tan inverse x by y minus 1 upon 1 plus x by y into 1. Now this is the formula for tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. So tan inverse x by y minus tan inverse x by y, then minus minus plus tan inverse 1, x by y cut. So finally tan inverse 1 and tan inverse 1 equals to pi by 4. So answer is pi by 4. Now complete for lesson 2. Chapter 2 અહીંયા complete થાય છે. જેટલા બી એક્ઝામ્પલ છે ટેક્સ્ટમાં ચેપ્ટર 2 ને રિલેટેડ એ તમારે કમ્પ્લીટ કરી લેવાના, એટલે લેસન 2 અહીંયા કમ્પ્લીટ થઈ જાય છે.